Yeah, I'm ready.
DJ, let me know when you're ready, man.
Silent.
Y'all give it up for D.
That nigga.
I'm kind of nervous, y'all. Y'all can't make me nervous, though. My son got some new shoes. I see that. I like that.
Son got the new shoes. That nigga called me his son.
Hey. Yeah. Alright, bro.
That nigga's so angry, man.
Yeah. Hold on. Alright. Yeah. Hold on. Hey, I'm only reminiscing on years in the city where the culture is emulated so quickly, realizing the fact that this is something that I gotta figure out. My heritage, being to do without a doubt, I'm learning game from a wise woman. I'm thanking God that I have the opportunity to develop a plan. I'm growing up, trying to build a foundation with all the wrong things on my mind for motivation. But baby, do you still care? See my impulse increasing because you have a ride to the occasion. I'm talking what you feel deep down, no more mental evasions. That's my life proceeds. I'm never overlooking what I intended to be. They tried to say I was incompetent, unable to succeed, but the topic of discussion quick to dine up with red breed. Hold up, yeah. I'm taking everything I've learned and use it to my advantage, but these apples are corrupted and I really can't stand it. I gotta keep what's safe that's promised within me. This is Dejan reporting live. I just pray that someone here.
Well, y'all give it up for D, man. D.